today I'm going to be showing you how to install brushes into Photoshop CC. First up, we're going to go to the Design Cuts website and we're going to go to the freebies section. So on the top right hand corner you'll see freebies, just click that. And now on the left hand side you'll see a brushes checkbox. Click that and we'll get all these new brush packs we can download. Click any one of these free brush packs to download, but for this tutorial I'm using the ink brush set on the bottom here if you want to follow along. So I'm just going to minimize this and we're going to go to the Photoshop now. So what we're going to do is go to File, New, top left hand corner. You'll get a box to create a new document, just press OK. I'm just going to click and drag the canvas into the middle. What we're going to do now is go to the right hand side, you'll see our layers panel. What we're going to do is just click on this little padlock to unlock the layer, and now we can freely paint over our layer. So what we're going to do now is press B for the brush tool. You can see my cursor changes to a brush. If you want to make your brush bigger or smaller, press left or right bracket key. What we're going to do now is to load our new brushes into Photoshop. So what we're going to do is go to the top left hand corner, you'll see a brush drop down menu. Just click that and you'll see we have all these default brushes that come with Photoshop CC. So what we're going to do is now install our new brushes. Press this little settings button on the top right hand corner there and you'll get a drop down menu. What we're going to do is go to load brushes in the middle and click that. So wherever you installed your file on the desktop, it will be in a folder. And what we're going to do now is just double click the file. It should be an ABR file and it should be black and blue and a bit of white. Just double click that. And now if I scroll down on my brushes panel, you'll see our new brushes are now installed. So you can click any one of them and then go to your canvas and start painting. The brush is pretty big, so you might want to make it smaller. I'm just going to change the color here. So now you can see we've installed our new brushes and we can just paint away as you want. If you want to get rid of these brushes, what we can do is reset the brushes. So we're going to go to top left hand corner, go back to the brush presets, and we're going to go back to the settings, and instead of clicking load brushes, we're going to press reset brushes. Click that, you'll get a box pop up and just press OK. What this will do is wipe out the new installed brushes and go back to the default brushes, as you can see. So that's how you install brushes into Photoshop CC. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and I'll be happy to see you in the next one.